Well, I'm expecting a package from one company, but I'm not sure if this is the one. Oh yeah, it is!
Daddy's a store.
There's a store?
Yeah. What is gonna bye-bye?
It's gonna bye-bye, yeah.
I have no more money on the pocket.
Look!
Wow.
Only if you clean your room. Are you gonna clean your room? You know why? Because I don't want you to get spoiled. Are you spoiled?
I want to help Mommy.
You want mommy's help? Because we don't get everything we want. Because we're crying. We get what we want if we work hard. Good morning! Today is Wednesday. Yeah, it's around 8 o'clock, 8:30. I think. Our breakfast is ready. You want spam, baby? Baby.
Daddy, what are you playing?
Baby. I think Daddy is in a serious game. You look so serious and you look like from a boy band. Tell me why ain't nothing but a falling. Tell me why ain't nothing but a mistake. Good morning everyone, breakfast tayo. This is our breakfast for today. Well, for me, I'm having my fishies. And dinuguan. Fishes is dito ako guys na nahihilig nitong lately. Pag hindi okay yung pakiramdam ko, like yesterday, I threw up twice. And kagabi din. Pero hindi naman lahat, natira naman. So, yan, pag ganyan, nagkaroon ako ng morning sickness. Ang morning sickness ko umaga, tsaka yung maghapon talaga. So, pag may ganyan akong pagkakataon, ang nire-request ko talaga is isda na may sabaw, which is alagang-alaga ko ni Gina pagdating dyan sa isda na may sabaw kasi ako marunong magluto niyan. yung meron siyang anong gulay ito, Peps? Talbos, tapos kamatis. Ayan. Ang sarap. Hindi ba maalat? Kain tayo, hindi. Wow! I heard that. Your turn. Come on. Sige na. That's the only thing your pregnant wife wants naman.
Ain't nothing but a heartbreak.
So yesterday I received a package, but I'm expecting a package from one company, but I'm not sure if this is the one. So let's unbox it. Oh yeah, it is. Yeah, this is from Axesea. Axesea. So ayan, nakasulat dito. Ang dami. Tignan nyo guys, ang dami nilang pinadala. I'm super duper happy. And I love your packaging. I love packagings na may ganyan, yung may ziplocs. Oh my gosh, ang dami nilang simin. Oh, I think this one is for Daddy Phil then. For Daddy Phil. Should we open? Open natin. Daddy Phil! The na is here. Board shorts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 items! Oh my gosh! So yan, meron pa ulit si Daddy Phil ng boy shorts. Thank you, Axie! Pang swimming! Sayang hindi namin magagamit ngayon dahil sa quarantine, but we can use it pag nag-swimming kami sa labas. So we're very happy. Look! One of the things that I'm very excited about, this bikini pair. Pero itong kasi niya, top, pwede rin to siya sa leggings. Pag mag-surf ka, although I don't surf. Look at that! Ang sexy! Cute! And then, yan siya, V-neck siya. So, it's up to you kung ano yung bottoms na gusto mo. Pwedeng, yeah. Pwedeng yung ganito, bikini. Like this one that I picked. Ang laki. Ay, pero adjustable naman siya. So, ayan, bikini that I picked. And then, you can also have a different bottom. Ayan, this one.
Daddy, choo-choo.
Oh. You can pair it with the bra. May pang
Mommy,
swimsuit.
Daddy, choo-choo bag.
No, Daddy's downstairs playing video game. So yeah, I love the quality. Can't wait to use these. You know what else I'm very excited about is their leggings. Since we are in quarantine and I love working out, it's kind of like hard to get motivated to work out at home. So if you have a cute outfit on, sometimes that helps you motivate yourself. I love this print. Ayan. Yung kanilang tela, guys, is thin, but not too thin. It's see-through. It's very stretchy and it's high-waisted. Imagine that. That is something that I really, really love. High-waisted na leggings. Look at that. I also have it in plain, anong kulay ito? Maroon, I think. Yeah. Look at that. Ang soft niya. I love it. Ayan. I also have it on this print. Navy blue. Ayan. And then on black. I feel like this is going to be used and abused. That black, plain black one. And this one. I so love it. Can't wait. It might be a little shorter for me, but we will see kapag tinry ko na siya. We will be trying it on tomorrow. They also sent me some bikinis. So yeah, meron din tayong black na swimsuit. And ito yung kanyang pair. Let's see this one. Ooh, meron siyang gold dyan, heart detail there. I can't wait to try on tomorrow. And bukas na natin siya i-try on. Then, one piece! Oh my gosh! Guys, paki-ready ang swimming pool bukas. Ha? Cute swimming pool. Wala silang mother-daughter. Ang ganda sa likod. And gusto ko kasi yung mga one piece. Kasi minsan, syempre, hindi ka na komportable sa katawan mo dahil iba na siya. Di ba? Hindi nakagaya noon. Pag hindi ako komportable, I just put one piece on kapag magsa-swimming, okay na. So, gusto ko yung ganito niya. Kasi pag magsa-swimming ka, magdadala ka pang plastic bag. At least yan na lang. Ay, ang ganda ng niya. Ng texture. Oh. Tadaan! Cute! Salamat, Earth. Thank you, Axie. Salamat po ng marami. I'll make sure to put the link down below, guys, if you guys wants to order from them. Ang bilis din nilang mag-ship. Na-receive ko siya within, parang siguro within a week. So, ganyan. Kasi usually, dahil lang yung quarantine, di ba, medyo matagal yung pagdating ng ating mga packages with them. It's very fast. Maraming salamat. So yun, I'm very happy. We got toys for Lily and AJ. Yes, how may I help you?
Ano bang kunin natin? Si Moana muna.
Yes, Moana.
Ay, the box.
Secret.
You have to clean your room first. You wanna see what's inside?
Yeah.
You have money? Where's your money? No money? So you have to clean your room so you can earn money, okay? And then you can buy this. You can pay.
Huh?
Whoop!
What is that?
Look.
Oh.
Do you want to pay that? Where's your money? Oh, you have to clean your room so you can get money.
I have no more money on the pocket.
Look.
Wow.
And then you can pay Ate Gina, but only if you clean your room. Are you gonna clean your room? Yeah, I'll go upstairs and clean your room, please.
Banana.
Excited.
Mommy,
Yeah?
come,
Hmm.
come clean my room together.
I'm not cleaning your room. You clean your room. Look, you don't have to be sad. You need to start learning to clean your room, okay? You know why? Because I don't want you to get spoiled. Are you spoiled? It's important that you clean your room. Do you understand? Yeah? You have to keep it tidy.
Mommy,
Yeah.
I want to help Mommy.
You want mommy's help? Okay. Look, mommy's gonna help you. You don't need to cry. Look, it's easy. You just need to take care of, you need to fix your pillows, and mommy will help you with the covers because it's too big for you to fix, right? Yeah? But look at mama. Mommy needs you to understand that you need to keep your room tidy from now on, okay? And not everything is free. You have to work hard for what you want. Do you want Moana? Really? Are you gonna work hard for Moana? Yeah? Look, mommy just wants you to understand these things while you're young. Okay? Because we don't get everything we want because we're crying, because we want it. No. We get what we want if we work hard. Can you say work hard?
Work hard.
Are you working hard? Yeah, you are. Are you ready to fix your bed? Are you ready to clean your room? Yeah. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow! Good job. Okay, let me put it here. You fix your pillows. There. And then how about the other one? Good job. See, that's not hard. Can you help Mama? Can you push this down?
Let me push it down.
Okay, can you push it down? Good. There you go. Good job. Good job. How about the cat? Where do you put the cat? Put it in the box. On the bed. Oh, yeah. There you go. Is your room clean now? Are you gonna mop later? Okay, because you cleaned, Mommy will.
Give you money.
Where are you going?
Let me get food.
Careful, don't run.
I want to buy banana.
Thank you. Cheers.
Wow! Woo!
Wow.
Okay, that is not easy. And you might think I'm so harsh. But ko siya kailangan i-force na maglinis ng room niya. But I want her to learn the value of money. Kasi we noticed na there are times na she will say, I want this, I want cooking set, I want this, I want that. You know, na as if we have to get her what she wants. And she doesn't have to work hard for it. She will just have to cry. And we don't want her to grow up na parang spoiled siya in a way na gusto niya, kung anong gusto niya makukuha niya lang, hihingi niya lang kay mommy at kay daddy. Gusto kong matuto siya ng value of money, na kung may gusto ka sa buhay, kailangan paghihirapan mo para kumita ka, para mabili mo yun, alam mo yun. So, that is the first step. And then we'll go from there. Kasi alam, hindi niya, of course, ngayon, hindi niya pa rin alam yung halaga na yung binigay ko lang kayo na sa kanya na pera is 40 pesos lang. Alam niya lang pera yun and then she can buy something. So, in the future, pag nakasanayan niya na she will be doing chores or she will be helping mommy and daddy out to earn points and stuff like that. In the future, tuturuan ko rin siya na kung ano yung halaga ng bill na yon and stuff like that. But from now, ang gusto kong matutunan niya is hindi lahat makukuha mo by just crying or just by saying na you want it. Or dahil sa hingi. Ayoko na matututo siya na manghihingi siya na manghihingi. Gusto ko, matutunan niya na paghirapan yung para makuha yung gusto niya sa buhay. So, yun.
Daddy's a storm.
There's a storm?
Look,
Yeah.
Where?
look here.
Here.
Show me, Lily.
Here.
Look.
Okay. Where's the storm?
It's coming. It's
Yeah,
coming
show
on.
me.
It's coming.
Look, there it is.
Look, there it is.
It's coming on Friday, Saturday. Oh
It's
no.
gonna rain.
Look, when's it gonna rain?
When is it gonna rain, Lily?
There's a good rain, go away. Come on another day. Mommy wants to play. Rain, go away.
Look, I'm watching.
Like that. Huh? It's coming to you though.
Look.
What? It's gonna bye-bye.
It's gonna bye-bye, yeah.
Bye-bye, yeah. Oh no. We're in trouble. We have to stay in the mutton room.
Yeah.
Look. Who's that? Chicken in the mutton. Cute. Wow. 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 What happened?
Daddy's a little girl.
Here he goes.
Daddy.
Yeah,
Daddy's a little girl.
I know. Who's that there?
Lily.
Look, this is Lily's first day at school, man. Look. Wow.
Oh.
So cute with Daddy, though. Right.
Lily.
Look. Daddy got so many pictures of the mutton. Look at that face. This is hate.
That's Daddy's brother.
Look. Look.
Harley Quinn.
What happened? What happened to them?
Wow.
That's when you had a meltdown.
Daddy's a little witch.
That's when you had a melt frozen boots,
Fairy.
fairy, and a witch. You had a meltdown that day.
Lily is a witch. And Daddy's
Yeah.
a little witch.
Cat.
Ow. Ow. No, not.
Are they gonna run?
Yeah.
Run to the bed.
No. Don't do that to her.
Ow!
I'm a winner.
You're a winner. Hope he's a loser.
Done. Ay, suotin ko to. Ito guys, nasama to sa haul ko before from Cup Sheet. I really love them. Ayun, meron sila ulit isa-send sa akin soon, so I can't wait. But yeah, itong dress na to, parang beach, siya beach wear na outfit. Ay, medyo manipis siya guys. Pero okay lang, sa bahay lang naman ako. Ang itsura ng babaeng nag-transform na 3 beses sa banyo. Tawag ni Sheila. Here's my laptop. Here's my laptop. Here's my laptop. My laptop. Husband. Laughing.
Mashallah.
Ang cute, masarap. You love it. Really?
Yeah.
I just made it up.
No, she's joking.
really? It's not good. Let me try. Made it up just now. Sayang.
Ito masarap talaga.
Try mo, Pips. It's okay. Yung hula-hula natin.
Ay, ang sarap.
Diba?
Yummy.
Hula-hula. It's time for bed. We doing, Daddy. Daddy, tomorrow. Can we do a movie night in Little Shrimp tomorrow night?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
With popcorn.
Yeah.
That'd be cool. That would be cool. I think she's gonna love that. Huh? 6 o'clock? 7?
Yeah.
Okay. So anyway guys, we're gonna end this vlog here. Ayun. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Maraming salamat sa patuloy na pagsuporta. Malapit na tayo mag 400k. We're nearly 400,000, my love. Wala talaga reaction to. No support talaga. Really? That's good. It's a big ano. Remember, just recently we were just opening our box, our first ever plaque of we're reaching 100,000 and now we're nearly 400,000. Try lang. Ganyan lang talaga kami, guys. That's our normal. That's our normal here.
It's not gonna work on this, you know.
Why?
There's another. It's out.
It has to be in the laptop. Did stop installing
I'm
it.
waiting for you.
Huh? Let me just help Daddy with this, okay? But should we end the vlog while Mommy's doing this? Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Go on.
Do like and subscribe button and we see you on the next one. Bye. Bye bye. Wow. It's right.